So I have this bag right here which I like very much, but I've not been able to use it as much as I want because I don't like to carry my school bags like this. I was wishing it had, the crossbody kind of thing so I could just hang it on my shoulder or something. But that broke off. As you can see, it came with that hook, but it kind of broke off. So what I did was, this is a cutout from one of my dresses. It's like a belt now. Here is kind of full squeezed and wrinkled because I was already using it like that, but I wanted to show you guys just like an for the sake of the idea. So hoping that it will help somebody or save somebody. So what I did was just take the inside of the belt and just tie it. I made sure to tie it twice so that it's secured properly, and I did same at the other end of the bag too. And there you have it.